Hi, this is Mike, Captain Tie-Dye from Just Rockin' Out, and I'm going to show you the things that come with your Good Stuff Tie-Dye kit, and also a few things that may help you when you're creating your custom tie-dye creations. What's included in your Good Stuff Tie-Dye kit is 4 bottles, 4 dye colors of your choice, some soda ash dye fixer, 3 pairs of vinyl gloves, some rubber bands, and a funnel. Also, on the front page, it has a list of all the things included in the kit, which is that. You also have a instructions page. This should help in making tie-dye, and some safety and tips. Also, things that you may want to get yourself is a bucket. This is a 2-gallon bucket. You might want to have something to stir your soda ash in here with. Also, some grocery bags, some paper or plastic plates, and some distilled water. Those things should make it a lot easier for you to make custom creations of your own.